Welcome to ChemChris Daily Drill, where I solve one JAMB past question to help you crush your exam in 2026. Okay. Welcome to ChemChris Daily Drill, where I solve one JAMB or WAEC past question to help you crush your exam in 2026. Look at this question on the board here. This nice chemistry question on the board there. Lab is of students to actually have issue or will not be able to solve kind of question whenever they sit in exam. But in this video here, I want to actually dissect it, explain step by step so you understand. It's under what isotopy. So please make sure you have to prepare your notebook so I can follow through this class. Now, I don't only produce chemistry video, I also produce math and physics. Just I'll tell you more about that. So let's look at it very well. An element X with relative atomic mass 60.2. Relative atomic mass 60.2 contain two isotopes. Isotope 16 and isotope M, right? If you look at it very well, isotope 16 with atomic number 8 with the relative abundance of what 90%, and isotope M, because you don't know this one here, isotope M with relative abundance of 10%. Calculate the value of M. Large majority of students will fail this type of question, but not you again. By the time you finish watching this video, I'll show you that any question you come across like this, you crush it. Now, let me show you how to solve this here. Solution. Now, when you are solving a question that relates to what? That relates to what? Isotopy, right? There is a simple formula you need to know here, which I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you this formula here. Please pay close attention here. So now, let us say the element have two isotopes. Now, what is isotopy? The phenomenon whereby atoms of the same elements have the same atomic number but different mass number. Just like you need to understand that definition. So there is a formula here. RAM. Now, what is RAM? Relative atomic mass of that element, right? Is equals to. Now let us say we are having two isotopes. That is elements, atoms, two atoms with different mass number, right? So I have to have what? A1 times P1. Don't worry, I'm going to explain to you. Plus what? A2 times P2 over what? P1 plus P2. It's okay. Now I'm going to explain to you here. RAM is what? Is the relative atomic mass of the element with the various isotopes. Now this A1 you are seeing here, please be writing down. A1 is what? Is the atomic mass of the first isotope. So atomic mass of first isotope. Right there. Here we have A2 is equal to what? Atomic mass of second what isotope. Atomic mass of what? Second what? Isotope. Right? Now you have now P1. P1 means what? Percentage abundance of what? First isotope and what? Second isotope. So P1 equals to what? Percentage abundance of what? First isotope. Right? Then we have what? P2 equals to what? Percentage abundance of what? Second isotope. Right? So now this is it here. So this first thing to understand here. So if you check it very well, now let's start bringing it out here. This is an element with an element S with relative atomic mass. That is RAM, relative atomic mass. RAM is equals to what? Is equals to 60.2. Is equals to 16.2. Right? Good. Contains two isotopes. Here we have isotope 16. That is, this is what first isotope here, and the mass number which go to the atomic mass A1. So that is, I will have what? My A1 to be what? To be 16. To be what? 16. With the that is, this guy have relative abundance or percentage abundance, which is what? P to be what? 90%. 90 what? Percent. Just that. Then M, this guy is my what? A2 to be what? M. A2 is not my M. Then my P2 is what is 10%. This is that. So now they're asking us to look for M. If I should impute all these things down into this formula here, this is what I get. I have what 60.2 equals to, right? My A1 is what is 16, so it will be 16 times my P1 is what is 90, right? Plus my A2 is what is M. This is the M here times my P2 is what is 10 over, right? My P1 is going to be 90 plus 10 is going to give me 100. This way I'm not going to solve it here. So this way I'm going to solve this here. Of course, this is going to be 100, right? So 100 times this, I will cross multiply because this guy is going to, let us say 100 because 90 plus 10 is what is 100 because I don't have any other space again. So when I cross multiply, what will happen here? 16.2 times 100, here we have what 1620, right? When I cross multiply equals to 16 times 9, 90. 16 times 90, here we have 1440. 1440. This is that plus M times 10. Here we have 10 what M. The goal is to what make M square formula here. So if I should what make 10 M square formula here, we have 10 M equals to what 1620 minus 144. I hope nobody have issue with this one here. Nobody should have issue with this. This is primary school work. So nobody should have issue with this. How do I get this one here? Carry this one down here. So I just rearrange, which also the same thing here. Now, what will happen here? We have 10 M equals to, when we subtract this to here, we have 1620 minus 1440. Here we have about 180. 180, right? Divide both sides by 10. Here we have 10. Here we have 10. Divide this here. Here we have what? 18, right? It means that my M, what does it mean? It means that my M is what is 10, is what is 18. That is, this element here have two isotope 16 and isotope of 18. That is new, yeah. So you can see how easy it is. You can see how easy it is. This is what we do in our daily drill to make sure that we solve questions that JAMB normally asks and JAMB and WAEC normally ask in the exam. Not only JAMB and WAEC, also other exam, like for the post-TME, other students who are in the A1, they like to set this kind of question in the exam. Do you understand? So please go ahead, pause this video, go back again and solve, copy this out and try and solve more questions like this. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and comment at the comment section that this video is helpful. It goes a long way to tell me that what I'm doing here is actually what's helping you as students. Now, this is daily drill. So from daily drill, that is from now to your exam, or we do this kind of question every single day. But here is a good thing here. You need a structure. You need a class that will help you cover all the JAMB syllabus very well. Because what I'm just doing here is a random topic I'm just picking question from. You are not actually mastering the topic very well. That is why I will advise you to join our 90 days JAMB class, right? 90 days JAMB WAEC class. Structure very well. In within 90 days, I want to cover the entire JAMB syllabus. Just now the first 3 months is 29,000. Just so just send me a message so I can be part of the class, so you will not be missing topic up and down. You will not be watching random video. You have a way structured classes. I have a complete class, about 4 classes on this one here, explaining every single thing. This is going to be of great help to you, right? The goal is for me to make sure that you score 300 and above in your JAMB 2026. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks. See you in my next video.